Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 5 other screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system. Tighten the 3 screws and reconnect the cables. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.